Okay, today we're going to talk about sales tax and property tax and how to calculate those. So here it says, we're going to talk about sales tax first. The price of the dress Bonnie wants to buy is $85. The state has a 5-cent sales tax for every dollar of the price. So here's how you can think about that. So if I make a little table, I have price and I have sales tax. Okay? For every dollar, you pay 5 cents sales tax. So if the price is $1, you pay 5 cents sales tax. If it's $2, you pay 2 times that, which would be 10 cents sales tax. If you were buying something that cost $10, the tax would be 10 times 5 cents, which would be 50 cents if you calculated that. Now, see what the pattern is here. This is 1 times 5 cents. This is 2 times 5 cents. This is 10 times 5 cents. So I multiply the number of dollars times 5 cents, and that gives me the total sales tax. So I just want to explain that before we move on to the next part, because a lot of students found this part confusing, the 5 cents for every dollar on the price. So now we're looking for the sales tax on this dress. Now this is $85. We're going to figure out what this is, and to do that we follow this same pattern. It's going to be 85 times 5 cents. So for $85, the sales tax will be $85 times 5 cents. Now we just need to multiply 85 times 0.05. And going back to our multiplying by decimals, we just multiply the numbers as if there were no decimal. 5 times 5 is 25, 8 times 5 is 40, plus 2 is 42. And we look at how many how many numbers are after the decimal here. That's 0. How many numbers are after the decimal in 0.05? That's 2. And the total is 2. So there's 2 digits after the decimal in my answer. So I put my pencil here and I go 1, 2, boop. So my sales tax is $4.25. So if I go to a store and I have exactly $85 and I walk up to the cashier and I said, I want to buy this $85 dress, here's $85, they would tell me, I'm sorry, you cannot have this dress, you don't have enough money. And now, why would I not have enough money if the tag says $85 and I have $85? That's because you have to pay sales tax. And this is the sales tax. So you have to add that to the to the amount that you're paying. So $85 plus $4.25 is going to be what you actually pay for that $85 dress. So we're going to add those together. $85 plus $4.25. I line up the decimals. So this is the difference between adding and multiplying in decimals. We add 0 plus 5 is 5, 0 plus 2 is 2, 5 plus 4 is 9, and 8 plus nothing is 8. So I pay $89.25, almost $90. So if I want to buy this $85 dress, I can't walk into a store with $85. I have to walk into a store with almost $90 because there is $4.25 in tax. Next, we're going to talk about property tax. Miguel has a small boat that has a value of $3,100. He pays property tax on the boat to his town. The property tax is $4.20 for every $100 of the property value. Now here we go again, $4.20 for every $100. So I'm going to draw a table to illustrate that so that's not confusing. So this is the value of the property for the property tax, and then this is the property tax. Now, property tax is for houses, boats, land, things like that. Sales tax is for things you buy in the store. So if we had $100, we had something that's worth $100, the tax on that would be $4.20. If we had something that's worth $200, it would be double that. It'd be 2 times that. It'd be $8.40. If we had something that was worth $1,000, because 1,000 is 10 times 100, it would be 10 times this property tax here. It'd be $40 and no, excuse me, it'd be $42 and 0 cents, $42. And so on. Now notice the pattern here. This is 100 times 420. This is, excuse me, this is 1 times 420, not 100 times 420, because it's 420 for every $100. And this is 2 times 420. And this is 10 times 420. So I'm taking this, I'm dividing it by 100 because it's 420 for every $100, not $1 like the sales tax. And then I calculate, I take that number and multiply it by 420, and then I find my property tax. So Miguel's a small boat that has the value of $3,100. The property tax $42 for every $100, or $4.20 for every $100 of the property value. How much will Miguel pay in tax on his boat? So let's figure out what this first number would be. So if I have $3,100, this is going to be blank times 100. Now, what do I multiply by 100 to get $3,100? It would be 31. Okay, so let's check that. 31 times 100. 31 times 1 is 31, and I add the 2 zeros, and I get 3,100. So that is correct. 31 times 100 is $3,100. So the tax is going to be 420 times 31. Just as we see down here. So I'm going to multiply that out. $4.20 times 31. So 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 4 is 4. Scratch, lay an egg. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 4 is 12. I add them together. And then I see how many digits are after the decimal in each of my numbers here. There's 2 digits after the decimal here. There's 0 digits after the decimal here. And if I add them together, there's 2 digits after the decimal in my answer. So I put my pencil here and I go 1, 2, boop. $130.20. So every year Miguel has to pay $130.20 for his boat, because the boat is worth $3,100 and the property tax is $4.20 for every 100. And there's 31 hundreds. And we multiply by 31.